friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how collect function works in PySpark. So what is collect function? So it is used to collect the element of a data frame in array row type. So suppose you have a data frame and you want to convert the data frame, one of the column of the data frame into array type. So with the help of a collect function, we can able to do it. Or you can also convert a data frame into array with the help of a collect function. All the collected element in the array sends to the driver node. So this is the one of the demerit of collect function. So for the whatever the data it will going to collect with the help of a collect function in the form of array, it will not distributed among different different nodes of a cluster. It will going to uh, store in the driver node. So for the small data set, it is very suitable. But when the data frame or the data sets are very large and you are going to implement the collect function, it will going to store on the driver node. And may be possible that if the driver node don't have that amount of space to hold the data which we are creating with the help of a collect function. If driver node don't have such amount of storage, then the memory related exception you will going to get. And this collect function is an action. In this exercise, we are going to see how collect function works in PySpark. So how we are going to do? I am importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a list variable. In the list variable, what I am going to do, I am storing the address of the CSV file which we are going to read in this exercise and create the data frame. Here we are creating a schema, custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining column name and its data types. So AP is the AP column name integer data type, AP name string data type, AP gender string data type, AP salary integer data type, AP state string data type, AP city and in string data type. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, we are going to read this CSV file which is stored in this list variable. So we are passing the list variable name, and with the help of this custom schema, we are going to read this CSV file. And what is the custom schema? This we have defined over here, and this custom schema has 6 columns. Once this data frame gets created, then we're going to see how the collect function works, right? And we will also see by printing the collect function as a way we are just doing to print a row object. So like this is the first record, and in the first what is the present at the fifth places. Like this we generally write the code to fetch the data from the array. Same way we're going to see here. So to save time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the code till creation of the CSV, creation of the data frame by reading the CSV file. Because we have done multiple times, I am going to copy these codes from one of my previous exercise, and I will show you how collect function going to work in Databricks. Let's go to the PPT. Not PPT, let's go to the Databricks. This is the Databricks. Now, just create one notebook. Name it collect. Connect this with our currently running cluster. Now copy the code till we are reading the CSV file and creating data frame. Okay. Now let's run the command cell one by one. Required libraries has been imported. Custom schema has been created. List variable has been created. We are reading the CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function. Now this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. Now these are the content of the data frame. Now let's see how collect function works. I am printing what I am just printing. This is the data frame, and if you could collect function, let's see how it's going to work. See what I have told during the introductory session of this video, that collect will going to convert a data frame into rows of arrays type, we can say, and we know that each and every record here we can say it is converted in the form of rows, and if rows will come into the Spark, that means that particular things which start from rows is a array type. So this is the one element. This is the array type. This is the array. Bigger bracket is array type, and the each element which stored in the array start with the help of a row function. So you can see whatever the records are there, which is storing in this array is of row type. So this we need to remember that in the array, every records are of row type. So let's see what is the content of, means how we are going to fetch records if we have an array which we are going to create it with the help of a collect function. So let's see the first record. At the first place, what is the record which is presented fifth position? See, it is Gurgaon. Okay, so let's see, this is the row which is present at the first position of this array element, and what is the element which is present at the fifth position? So that is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Fifth means 6, it will start from 0. That's why it's taking go down as a value which is stored at the fifth place. Let's see couple of more example. Let's at the second position, what is the value which is present at the fourth position? Let's run it. So it is saying it's Maharashtra. So here we can see this is the second record, and in the second record what is the value which is present at the fourth, means fifth position. It starts from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So at fifth position AP state is present, and what is the value of the AP state? That is Maharashtra. That's why it's picking Maharashtra. So we need to take extra care whenever we are using collect. We should not use collect function if the data is very large. It is suitable for a small data, so don't use collect function whenever your data is very large. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.